Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today got a package in the mail, and it's from K&R Customs, and we'll go into that, and we'll see what we got on it.
10 foot. 2, 1, good.
Hello YouTube. As you can tell, I'm in the office today, and we received a package in the mail, and we're going to do a unboxing video for that, and we'll get to that in just a moment. First of all, I would like to talk about a good find, or a great find, and most of you are accustomed with the Atlas Selector switches. Get the glare off of it. Yes, this one's an older one. Um, the thing about it is, if you find them on sale, they're like $13 a piece. I found this at Hobbytown. They were priced at $2. I bought 4 of them, and these will come in handy for the layout. That will be the one of the videos I will be doing later on the How I series. If you remember any of that, it's like how I do it. It's more or less of when I do switches or things like that, and so it'd be some of the how I videos. What I plan on doing with these selector switches. And the other thing here, as I said, we got in the mail, and it is from K&R Custom Models. And let me explain a little bit about K&R Custom Models. K&R Custom Models, Ken and Richard, K&R, as in K&R Custom Models, they do 3D printing, and the 3D printing that they do are signals, and custom is exactly what they do. You have an idea, you have something you want for signals. Say you want a signal bridge that's 4 tracks wide. They will do that, and their prices are very, very affordable. The quality, you will see the quality of these when I pull them up, and Ken and Richard know what they're doing. They are Richard is actually a retired Air Force, and he has electronics, and Ken, I believe, does electrical. And together they do these great circuit boards that they put inside of these individual small pieces. So when you do a custom item, something that you want, it will come pre-wired, and it will come with some instructions on how you want to set it up. And you just get with them. There are also other things that they have. They have some products that you can get in stores. You can already see them already set up. You can also catch Ken's K&R intro video on YouTube under K&R Custom Trains. And you can pull that and see that. I believe on there he has some double head signals that he has on the video, and he shows those and some of the 3D printing that they do. So I would like to go ahead and open this up, and we'll show you what's in here. Okay, this unboxing is with and probably some Dollar Tree scissors, but it works. So here I am opening up, and you will see, I'm gonna tilt this down, and you will see as soon as I see it what we got. I'm gonna watch it in reverse so I honestly see what you've seen. Of course, something from your stress, the bubble wrap. And you can see this. Got 3 signals here. It's made in the USA. It's in reverse, but it's K&R model design signals, and it is the 8010 Dwarf Ross and Gargraves kit for two 8001 plus one 8002 dwarfs. Works with the DZ1000 only, which is what I run on my layout. Like I said, this is in reverse. Sorry about that. Uh, I run Ross switches and Gargrave's track. Here it is. Dwarf sets of three for three different track and switch formats. The one I have for Ross and Gargrave's DZ1000 only, it is $44.99. And you have for fast track $44.99 also. Uh, the DZ 2500 is $54.99, and pre-wire World War II Lionel only $44.99. Custom designs available with your input O or G scale, cantilever bridge signals, selector, signal head, searchlight, street light, D street light, others up to four heads per signal with electronics or without electronics, bridge up to four tracks with signals and dwarf heads. You tell us what you want and send pictures, and we will give you a quote and schedule we can meet. See examples of our work on complex and delicate models. And that is exactly what you see here. Examples of what they're doing. And like I said, those are the prices. I said it is reverse. I will take a picture of it and actually put it on the site. Uh, these are what they offer and the signals you will find. And like I said, I've talked with Ken, and oh man, three head. There we go. There we go. This is uh, real nice. So I've got signal and the dwarfs. All right. I will show you. I will draw out and show you how these dwarfs will work. Um, I'm gonna pause this and scratch out a little diagram for you. Okay, I hope you can see this. I'll try to stay out the camera. All right, so this is your track. This is your diverse. And what I'm understanding with the three dwarf signals, you'll have one here, one here, one here. When you are going straight through, this will be green. So these will be green, green. One coming down in here will be red. So this signal will show red when these are green. Real simple. And when you are in this route, this one will be green. This one will be red. This one will be red. This one will let you know that the switch has been thrown. This is let you know that it's thrown against you and to stop. Real simple. Now these are wired up to the DZ 1000 switch machine. So when you have the DZ 1000 switch machine, I'm using Ross switches and Gargrave's track. So when you order them, you let them know what track you have and what switches, and they will pre-wire it for you. And when you get your signals, you color code your wires to what you already have. So with the DZ1000, you have 3 wires. With these Dwarfs, there are 3 wires, and they are color coded to match the DZ1000. So when I pushed my DZ1000, push the switch to go green, the lights will change to green for my straight through. And then when I push it for the switch or for the siding, the lights will change to green this way and red and red. It's real simple, and I cannot wait to put this on the layout and have them put on the when I put those on, those should be very nice. I have a curve switch that I want to put them on first. I have a will have road going across, so I will have signals here, my little arm. So I would like to wire up one dwarf here for this crossing. So in other words, if this switch is crossed over or against, I can stop here and it already be done. So I can stop there and not block the crossing. And that's how I would like to set it up. And like I say, when we get to that, it will be the how I videos, and we'll go from there.